Great, so now that you have a copy of your How to Get Your First Mortgage brochure, I'll talk you through the first 4 phases. You may find it helpful to print a copy. The first phase is the application phase. This is about finding out if you are ready to get your first mortgage. To be mortgage ready, you will need to have an adequate deposit, solid income, some idea of your proposed purchase price and how much you want to borrow. Stay tuned to the end of this video so you can hear how you can get access to our free online resource that provides you with what you need to get mortgage ready. Once you know that you're ready for your first mortgage, you are ready for step 2, the application phase, which is getting the documentation ready for your first mortgage application. Your situation may require other documentation. Most people will need photo ID, pay slips, and bank statements. The next step is to submit a mortgage application to a bank. Each bank has different lending criteria and benefits which they offer their customers. This is where having a mortgage advisor can help, because it is a mortgage advisor's job to help you find the right bank for your situation and get the best deal for your situation. Going through an advisor will allow you to get the best out of your own bank, but also keep other banks as an option as well. Phase 2 is the pre-approval phase. The first step is bank pre-approval, which is when you get the bank's pre-approval letter. You will need to interpret the conditions that will come with it. When an approval comes from a bank, there will be conditions, and these will need to be satisfied. Step 2, bank conditions, involves working through the conditions and satisfying the ones that you can. If you have a mortgage advisor, then he or she will help you with this. Phase 3 is the home offer phase. Step 1, home offer, is about preparing to make an offer and making sure that you give yourself the best possible chance of being successful. A mortgage advisor can help you with this. You will need to get a lawyer if you don't have one. It's important to remember that pre-approvals are general, so if you are using a mortgage advisor, then he or she can help you get the house that you want to offer on cleared in advance so you can have less conditions on your offer. This will really increase your chances of success. The second, sale and purchase condition step, covers off the period between having your offer accepted and going unconditional. It's important that you understand these terms and what they mean. This is where you often have to move quickly to satisfy both bank conditions and your offer conditions. When you go unconditional, this is when you pay your unconditional deposit. The last phase is the settlement phase. You have now gone unconditional and ready for step 1, mortgage debt reduction plan. We recommend that you strategically structure your mortgage and include a targeted repayment plan. This will shave years off your mortgage and you can save a lot of money. This does require expert advice. The next step is insurance. You will need to organise insurance for your home. This is also a great time to get a full insurance review and take care of all your insurance needs. Then, in the loan documentation step, the loan documents will be sent to your lawyer for you to sign. You will also need to give your lawyer the remaining balance of your deposit. The day before your settlement day, you will need to have a pre-settlement inspection. The last and final step is settlement day. This is when the bank sends the money to your lawyer and you get the keys to your new home. I know that this is a lot to take in. There's a lot to consider when you're buying a house. That's why we would like to offer you a free online tool to help you get started. The Get Mortgage Ready Hub will take you through each part of completing the Get Mortgage Ready step. It has information and videos to educate you about deposits, income, bank lending criteria, and even mortgage debt reduction. Our hope is that you can move forward with confidence and feel a lot more comfortable about the process. It's free for everyone for as long as you need it. Just go ahead and fill out your details below and you'll be on your way to owning your first home.